Well, this is an interesting way to pick up after your pets. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are going to be reviewing this portable scooper. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This is definitely an interesting one. This scooper has a claw that opens up. It has a bag holder, and when you pull the bag out, you wrap it around the claw, push a button, and then grab your stuff, flip it up, tie the bag, and be done with it. For those of you who hate putting your hands inside those plastic bags around that pile, this is a good solution. So not only do you get the scooper with this, but you also get an additional bag holder that has an LED flashlight on it, and you get some extra bags as well. It's a really nice idea, but remember that you have to carry all of this when walking your dog, which I know many people will not mind at all, but I do want to point that out. The scooper itself is pretty much self-contained with the bags, and it has a wrist strap that you can either hold or attach to a belt, or I guess you could toss it in a bag as well. So if you don't mind a little bit extra to carry and you hate putting your hands inside those plastic bags, this really could be a great option for you. It works exactly as they said it would.